Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save edited video in Clipchamp. It is a very simple process, so let's get started. Find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now your video is on the timeline track. Now keep on editing the video however you want to edit it. Add the audio, text, overlays, captions and many more options that you can add. Then here you can find the option of share button. Simply tap on it. Then choose one video quality that you want to save. Now tap on it. After few seconds, it will show you the face like this. And then simply tap on to save video. Now the video has been saved in your gallery. Now go to your gallery and search for it. Now here you can see the video has been saved. And that's it. This is how you can save edited video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.